Many of us struggle to pray 5 times a day. Let's be honest. Many of us struggle to pray 5 times a day. Today is the day when we promise Allah, oh Allah, strengthen me to fulfill my obligations unto you and make it difficult for me to sin. Whoa, that's a beautiful dua. Oh Allah, make it easy for me to fulfill my obligations unto you. Call out to Allah with this dua and be serious about it. When you say, oh Allah, help me to find a spouse, what do? You open your eyes and you look, don't you? You make an effort. Am I right? Subhanallah, that one we understand. But when we ask Allah to make it easy for us to fulfill our obligations unto Him, shouldn't we also be energized to fulfill it? Make an effort. Don't just say, oh, you know what? I made a dua to Allah to make it easy for me to get up for salah, but He didn't wake me up. But you didn't set your clock, and you didn't make an effort, and you didn't even have the intention to get up. In that case, what happened? You made a dua, but you were not so serious. This evening, we are serious about it.